There are three symbols of our nationality. The flag, the black, green and gold, perhaps the most famous. The anthem, which half of the country says Jamaica boom, and the other half says Eternal Father. What's the name of the anthem? Just national anthem. Alright, well I am one of the half that says Jamaica boom. I went to an all-boys school. We give trouble. The third one is the National Pledge, which is my favorite one. It is the one that calls us to the greatest level of public service any citizen can do. It calls us under God and before mankind to give loyal service to each other and to our country and to our alma mater, Horace Clarke High School. I'm going to invite the graduates to stand. And in a few, when I count to 3, they will say the National Pledge. But for the parents present, like Shahid's grandmother, when it gets to the last sentence, which is the important part of the pledge, and it says, so that Jamaica may. The students will say, so that Jamaica may. But each parent or family member will, in their mind, say the name of the student, of the champion, of the star that they are here to support. So Grandma, I'm going to call you Nana. Nana, you're going to say, so that Shahid may. But you're going to say it in your mind, because if everybody says it, it's about someone like Nana will know the pledge. So that Shahid may, under God. And I'm going to say, my man said not increasing in beauty, but the beauty we're speaking about is a spiritual beauty. So that Shahid may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, the welfare of the whole human race. I have nothing wrong with embracing prosperity. It's the prosperity that I have a problem. Alright? And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want all of us to accept, as our member of Parliament reminded us, that the investment, the village that will continue to raise these citizens is the whole way. And I want them to understand that nothing worth keeping onto is achieved unless God wanted it to be achieved. So if God ready for me to go into a certain house again, He will make sure it happens. Until then, He guides my path into my own yard, where I have seats I can choose from. Usually in front of the TV or around the dining table. But ladies and gentlemen, you will become the solutions to the problems that we have created. Among you are the persons who will achieve better results as a nurse, as a doctor, the discipline as a truck driver that will stop when an old Raymond Price is crossing the road, or any other mission that you set your hearts and your path to, taking one step at a time. The answer to the question, where do we go from here, is where the Lord leads. The answer to the question, where do we go from here, is where you diligently apply your mind that will take you. The answer to the question, where do we go from here, we go where they lead. Because like it or not, we are letting go and they are taking over. After 3, the National Pledge. 1, 2, 3.